Welcome to Education Hub. Hey kids, today we will learn 3-letter words. So let's start. Cat. C-A-T, cat. Cat means Billy. Dog. D-O-G, dog. Dog means Kutta. Ear. E-A-R. Ear means Kaan. Ice. I-C-E. Ice means Barf. Sun. S-U-N. Sun means Suraj. One. O-N-E. One. One means egg. Bag. B-A-G. Bag. Bag means Basta. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. Mat means Chatai. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. Fan means Pankha. Pan. P-A-N. Pan means Kadhai. Rat. R-A-T. Rat means Chooha. Top. T-O-P. Top means Lattu. Cap. C-A-P. Cap means Topi. Axe. A-X-E. Axe means Kulhari. Cow. C-O-W. Cow means Guy. Bat. B-A-T. Bat means Chamgadar. Key. K-E-Y. Key means Chabi. Hen. H-E-N. Hen means Murgi. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy means Ladka. Box. B-O-X. Box means Dibba. Please subscribe our channel for new videos.